Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark on your videos in Canva. So you can either save it as an image. I'm just going to screen capture it to make it quicker. You're just going to capture the screen like this, and you're just going to want to paste it to the video. Try to make it as close to the video size as possible. Go to edit and you're going to select the magic eraser and select the watermark that you want to remove. I'm just going to use the click one. You can use any thing here. Let's just use the brush one actually. And for instance, I want to remove this out of the video, which I'm just going to select a little bit messily, but you obviously want to make it so it's not super weird. Let's just close this up, and you're just going to want to crop it, making sure it's kind of like the same size a little. It's not going to be perfect, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I know this isn't perfect. You can kind of like, you have to probably do it frame by frame, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.